Hi guys, in this episode, I'll teach you the cook cool cheat code for carbs that takes the same meal you were going to eat anyway and lowers its sugar hit on your body, lowering your risk for getting diabetes from starchy meals, or if you're already diabetic, helping to keep your blood sugar normal. I know it sounds crazy and too good to be true, and that was exactly my reaction when I first heard about this hack. But it is true. Now let me explain. So we usually think of rice, pasta, and potatoes as sugar bombs because they digest so quickly and easily. In fact, if you chew any of these a little bit longer than you normally would, you'll start to taste the sweetness releasing as they start breaking down in your mouth with ptyalin. When we cook these foods, the complex starch molecules soften, making the food both easier to chew, but also to digest into sugar. So our goal is to turn fast starch, which spikes sugar, into resistant starch, which acts like fiber while still keeping it edible. And it turns out that when you put cooked rice or potatoes in the fridge, the starch molecules do something called retrogradation. Imagine this Lego is a complex carbohydrate from rice, pasta, or potato made up of many sugar molecules. When you cook it, you break it up into a messy pile of loose sugar bricks that are easy to grab and absorb. When you cool them though, some of them start clicking back together. The result, your digestive system can't grab the sugar bricks as easily to soak it up because they're locked together. This is called resistant starch because it resists being turned into sugar. So instead of being absorbed into your small intestine, which causes blood sugar spikes, this starch travels all the way to your large intestine, slowly being absorbed along the way. And some of it in the large intestine actually becomes food for the good gut bacteria. And the best part, you can still reheat it. Once those starch crystals form in the fridge, they're heat stable. You can microwave your rice or saute your potatoes, and the resistant starch stays mostly intact. You don't have to eat your food cold. So how can you use the cook and cool method? First, plan ahead. Cook your rice, pasta, or potatoes a day before you need them. Then use the 24-hour rule. Leave them in the fridge for 12 to 24 hours to let the crystals set. So don't just cook and eat, cook, cool, and then eat. Your pancreas will thank you for the slow, steady energy instead of the sugar spikes. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and you're welcome.